Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Group Policy Editor gpedit.msc not found or missing in Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now the case is when you press Windows and R key together in your keyboard and try to type gpedit.msc and click on OK with it. This would appear, which is Windows cannot find gpedit.msc. Make sure you type the name correctly and then try again here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to navigate to your Google Chrome browser. Simply bring it up. So just have to double tap to it, or you can simply search it here at the bottom search bar. Okay. The moment you have successfully opened your Google Chrome browser, you need to proceed to the Windows search bar and paste the link which I'll be including at the description box below. So copy it and paste it here. And the moment you have pasted it, you need to click on enter and wait until you are being redirected to the result. Okay. Okay, here in the mediafire.com browser, you would be able to see an attachment link where you can download this gpedit bat file. Okay, you just have to click on download and it will be downloaded in less than a minute. Okay, in my case, I have already downloaded this file, but in your case, if not, then proceed on downloading such. Once done, close this window and navigate to the bat file that you have just downloaded. Okay. So here you need to select that specific file. Please do a right click and scroll down and go with run as administrator. So tap on it and the moment you have your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, and after that you would be able to open this window. Here you just have to wait until all of this would be done. Okay? So here in the process one, it is adding package Microsoft dash Windows dash group policy dash client extensions dash package, and they just here in the processing. You just have to wait until it will be done. It might take some time. It will depend on your machine. You just have to be patient, okay? And just have to wait until all of this process would be done, okay? So don't close this command prompt window. Don't turn off your computer as well unless you are done. Okay? So let's say you are done. You just have to close this window and you need to restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So there is a need to restart your computer in order to apply on the actions that we have just performed in this video. So don't worry because this is harmless. This will only help you to fix your local group policy editor which is missing. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.